guys, Dama here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a super fun one, and this is probably the most bare makeup you guys would possibly see me. And if you're totally noticing how much brighter I put the light, it's because I'm trying to hide this huge nipple that has popped up on my face. I am curious, are any of you guys like me when you get like a small little blackhead pimple, anything on your face, you're just picking at it? I'm so bad at it. I just can't help myself, and a small pimple turns to a zit this big on me real quick. I'm sorry if I'm being so gross about it, but I am so honest. So if any of you guys struggle with this, please let me know. I'm getting off topic. So anyways, what this video is really about is on my BoxyLuxe unboxing video. As you can see, this box is pretty big and I am so excited about it. This is the first BoxyLuxe to come out, and this is a subscription to BoxyCharm. So you can see it's right there in the front of the box. And 4 times out of the year, starting this month, which is the very first month, they're going to have a BoxyLuxe every 3 months. So you'll get one in September, December, I believe March and June. Those are the 4 months. So every 3 months you get a BoxyLuxe. So I'm super excited about doing this with you guys today. I typically don't record on a Tuesday, which is what today is. I typically record more on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, along those lines. But I couldn't wait to open it. I came straight home just to do this, and I even called FedEx this morning to make sure my box did arrive. Let's just get right into it. But before I do, I just want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd love to have you join us, so just hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and hit the notification bell as well, so you get notified every time I post a video. I post a video every Sunday, and if you really like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any suggested videos for me, just go ahead and let me know in the comment box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's jump right in. I am terrible with scissors and knife. I typically don't open boxes myself, and I'm also very clumsy, which doesn't help my case. So first thing I pull out of the box, which I don't know if you guys noticed, it's on the fold here, is the BoxyCharm pamphlet they usually get every time you get a box. So you guys can see the difference. Typically this is the one that comes in the month-to-month box, and this is the one that came in the BoxyLuxe. So it's a huge difference, and the boxes are actually a huge difference. I believe the BoxyLuxe is a 4x4, and I don't know how big or how small the smaller one is. So this month's theme is Wild BoxyLuxe, and here are all the featured items, and the description for all of them are listed on here. So let me see real quick if I can add up and see what this month's BoxyLuxe value is. So this month's BoxyLuxe value is $355.99, so about $400. So the first thing in here is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $35. It is made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. These are very pretty for a smoky eye. However, I don't know if I would use it, because honestly I have so many eyeshadow palettes that consist of smoky eye looks, so I more than likely might just be giving this away. But it's still a very nice eyeshadow palette, even for beginners in makeup. The next thing is the Grande Lip Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick. It's a semi-matte, and this is in the color Rebel Raisin. So this is one of the items, as soon as I peeped open the box, I'm like, oh, I love, oh, and the packaging. You can see the shade of the liquid lipsticks on either side, and it looks like this when you open it up. I'm going to swatch it in the back of my hand. Oh wow, that is beautiful. It has like that, it has like a pretty brown undertone. It kind of gives me those fall vibes. So I'm very happy about this one being in my box. And it looks like it leaves no streaks, so it might be a really good liquid lipstick. I've never heard of Grande Lips, so if I like it, this might be a win. And this liquid lipstick retails for $25. Next item is a couple brushes that I got in here. First off, this eyeshadow trio brushes, I was super happy about seeing in one of the spoilers because a couple boxes ago we got the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I went onto their Instagram and I looked through all their stuff and I saw that these brushes were in there, and I just thought like they have like the prettiest color scheme between like that bronzy color and the green, and it kind of matches the palette. Let me show you the palette. So this is the palette right here, and it kind of has the same color schemes, you know, with the green and the yellow and all that stuff. So I thought this was really, really cute, and I was so excited that it came in the box. So the Alamar Cosmetics trio is called Ojitos brush set, and it cost $18, and it comes with the flat painter brush for effortless applied colors onto your lids, fluffy blender brush that can be used to seamlessly blend colors together, and the flat tight liner brush to perfectly direct color application on your lash line. I don't know if you can see that, my camera is kind of acting up right now. And then the other brush was this pretty fluffy brush right here. I like how it's designed where it has this space here, which is perfectly for placing your thumb and applying any product to your face. And this brush is by Luxe, and this is their 732 airbrush foundation brush. Allows you to easily buff your foundation. Have fun giving your skin a perfect airbrush look. I'm looking forward to trying this brush. I like how it's pretty dense and thick, so it looks like it would be a pretty good foundation brush. I'll put it to the test, and I will be giving you guys an update on this soon. In another video, I'll more than likely use it, so you guys will know. Okay, and then the next thing is the Arblacio. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand, but this is the Death Valley Dry Shampoo. And I'm not too crazy about dry shampoos. Maybe it's because I have super oily hair, so when I've tried using it, it doesn't work for me. But who knows? I'll give this one a try, see maybe if my experience is a little bit different. This seems to be like possibly a travel size. So I don't know too much about this being full size, but it's still kind of cute. And this retails for $17. Now we can go ahead and remove this portion and get to the bottom half of the box. So I was really excited about getting this. This is really adorable. I think I've always wanted to buy something like this for when I apply makeup or do my skincare routine to kind of hold my hair back from getting in my face or getting my hair wet or any of that. And it's by the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and this retails for $4.99, and I think it's really cute, you guys. The Girl Lactic Skin Glow Moonlight. So this is actually a very nice packaging. I love chandeliers, first of all, so I absolutely love the design in here. And then inside they have this like brown looking shade and then this pink shade. Swatch that a little bit here. Oh my god, they feel super creamy. But there you have them. The colors seem pretty similar. Like they're very shimmery, so they're very pretty. They are literally like cream highlights. You can see that it kind of leaked on the mirror. You see that smudge there? So, I mean, it looks like water. Okay, and the Galactic Skin Glow Duo retails for $26. And then the cute little Charmer tote bag. Oh, this is really cute. It's tinier than what I expected it to be, but it's still cute. I mean, we've all needed something that says BoxyCharm on it. Alright, so once that's moved, then we have the remainder of the things in the box. Which, oh my god, I completely forgot how excited I was with some of these items that I got in here. First, Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Centering Citrus Primer Water. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and spray some now, because if it smells good, sold. Oh my god, yes. It smells like oranges. I love it. The Smashbox Limited Edition Photo Finish Primer Water retails for $32, and it's a 3-in-1 primer and setting spray. Hydrates, preps, and refreshes the skin. So yes, it's a setting spray. I can apply some more. And to think I've gone through so many products. This video is already 22 minutes long and I still haven't finished. Okay, let's see what else we got. The next thing we got in here is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess. It's a bronzer bar. Comes with 6 bronzing and highlight powders. Ooh, okay. And this palette retails for $45. First off, right off the bat, Zam. This packaging is amazing. I don't care what's in here, I'm already in love. Packaging to me is everything. And I absolutely love gold and bronze and rose gold. So anything along those lines, you can sell me whatever the hell you want in there. I'm gonna buy it just because the packaging is pretty. Yes, bronzer and highlights, absolutely stunning. Look at those colors. Oh my god, this is perfect for my makeup kit. The only thing for me is that I highly doubt I can use this bronzer on my complexion, but I could definitely see myself using it on my clients. So I'm going to test out the bronzer though. I'll swatch it. It's just so pretty. I really didn't want to, and I have no space to swatch anything. That's that color you see right there. Okay, and then I'm going to swatch one of the highlights in here, the lightest one called Halo. That looks almost like a super white translucent powder on me. Now I don't know. I think I'm a little disappointed in these colors. The Girl Lactic creamy highlights look much nicer. I'm kind of sad now because I don't know if I like this palette, but we'll give it a try. I won't turn it down only because it's so pretty. So we'll see. Alright, so down to the last 2 items. Juice Beauty, the Original Solution Steam Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I don't know about needing an anti-wrinkle in my 20s, but hey, they're being offered. They're being offered. Maybe I'll give it to someone older that possibly can benefit from it. But this is definitely the most expensive item in the box. This retails for $80. And let's see what it says. This Ageless Ultra Light Serum is power packaged with a blend of stem cells infused into a vitamin C, which we all need vitamin C, so that's good. And a resveratrol, forget it. Rich rapeseed formula. Watch as the appearance of wrinkles begin to diminish and your skin tones and textures enhances. I can use the skin tone and texture enhancement. I don't know about the wrinkles disappearing, because unless it's gonna do something about the forehead wrinkles or fine lines, I don't see much wrinkles. But let's try the formula in here. Ooh, that feels pretty. I can compare it to, no joke, it smells like Fruit Loops to me. It really does, I'm not even kidding. But anyways, the consistency of it is very nice. And it almost feels a lot like the Belief Aqua Bomb. It has almost like that gel-like texture to it, and it kind of dissolves into your skin very nicely. But it is definitely very lightweight, and we'll see it work its magic to the wrinkles in the back of my hand. Okay, and last but not least, my most excited for item in the box, the Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. And I was definitely super hyped about this. This summer I was at Sephora and saw this being displayed, and I honestly fell in love. I either wanted this one or the new Becca Body Glow, which is a collab with Chrissy Teigen. Oh my god, and it smells like a bed of roses. I was so in love with it. Still want that one. It was $45. Yes, this retails for $45. I don't even have to look for it on here. And I wanted it so bad. But I was like, no, Damaris, you shouldn't be spending that kind of money on something you're hardly ever going to use. So I am so excited that this came in this month's Boxy. It was one of the first spoilers on there, which is the main reason, honestly, why I was so desperate in getting this box. Because just with this alone, you're only $5 off from reaching how much you paid for the box. And then on top of that, I got 10 more goodies. I can't complain. So first off, this cap, cute. And also, this was the perfect shade for my skin tone, which is what I was so excited for. Okay, so I got some on my hands. Let me dim the lighting. First of all, beautiful. I'll put some back here so you guys can see that. Whoa. That definitely looks like a natural skin glow. And I got very little bit. Look, I still have some left on my fingers. So yes, guys, definitely worth. That was everything in this month's BoxyCharm Wildflower BoxyLuxe. I must say I was very happy with the first box ever received in the new BoxyCharm edition of the BoxyLuxe. Just like in this box and every other box, you have those things that you like, those dislikes. So I mean, every box has its hit and miss, and I'm actually pretty happy that at least a little more than half of the items that came in this box I'm really happy about receiving and about using. I'm going to head out and play with all my goodies. Let me know if you guys want to see a video, or I guess an updated video of me using these products, because this was more of an unboxing. I wasn't really trying to use these products. It was more just to show you guys how fun these boxes are, and I'm not sponsored or anything by BoxyCharm, even though they should sponsor me. I just really enjoy my subscription, and I love makeup, so it's super fun for me to have something to look forward to every month that I know it's gonna come in the mail. So yeah, you guys, that's everything for me for today. I really hope you guys enjoy. And a bit of an update, I am super excited that fall is coming very soon, and I have lots of things going on in my life within the next few months, which I'm super happy about. And I will be trying to incorporate some new ideas and new things into my channel, and I will be having some fun videos for fall, so be sure to be on the lookout for those and stay tuned for more fun videos. I now gotta go wash off my hands. I got makeup everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you have a wonderful, fabulous day. Mwah. Bye guys.